Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Exquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So, for this spread, which is my birthday's on the 21st, y'all, it's my birthday. It's my birthday, hey. It's my birthday, hey. It's my birthday, hey. Okay, y'all ain't come for it. But, so I'm going to use the Happy Illustration sticker book, because I want to use those boldish balloons that they have in there, and I end up sprinkling a couple pastel balloons throughout. And then I'm using the big pastel mega sticker book because I wanted to use some of those circle stickers that they have in there to try to, use some different shapes and change it up. Don't nobody want to be boxed in. You see how I did that there? You see how I did that there? I know it was corny, but it was still a good one. Don't hate. My dad gave me all the corny joke syndrome. I can't help it. So basically at the top, what I'm just doing is I'm trying to find a good way to layer all of it in where it looks cohesive, but where I'm also not putting the exact same colors together, because there weren't very many colors that matched, that were circle stickers that matched the balloons. And I'm also going to use the balloons as focus boxes as well. I'm going to write in a few of them if need be. This week is going to be very chill for me. I don't have very many plans. I'm going to work a half a day on Wednesday, and then I'm going to drive up to Fort Wayne, which is about 2 hours away, and just hang with my planner bestie / cousin, and do all the planner things because, why not? I'm trying to think what else do I have going on this week. I think that's it. What I'm doing is I'm whiting out, because you can kind of see behind a lot of the balloon stickers. So I'm whiting out behind them where the circle stickers have that outline, just so that it doesn't ghost through. And now I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do on this other side of the page, right? Because this is the part that took me 4 years, 3 monkeys, and a mule. Because I could not get it together, girl. I was struggling. I was on a for sure struggle list. Plus, this weekend, my polynidal cyst, if you don't know what that is, trust me, it is a pain in the, no pun intended. It decided to rear its ugly head, so I really couldn't even film the way I wanted to film because basically when I'm not at work, my doctor wants me resting and off my bum. So I was really struggling trying to figure out how I could get all these colors to go without having to pull any of those pastel stickers that are the balloons. But I ended up pulling some anyway, and I still took forever to get it together. I was just struggling, y'all. I was really struggling on this spread. I had one idea when I started, and then as I got started, it morphed into something else, and then I couldn't get... And I was just frustrated because I didn't want to add... I was trying to do a spread without foil because I know I add foil into everything. So I was trying to do a spread without foil, but I couldn't because I needed more balloons, and all those pastel balloons have foil on them. So I was going through it, y'all. I was lifting up stickers, putting down stickers, putting stickers in between stickers. I was really struggling, and I can't even front. It was a little difficult. I was going back and forth, up and down, all around. As you can see, it was a true struggle. But in the end, all the balloons come together and ended up looking cute. Now, if I had 2 of the Happy Illustration sticker books, I could have did this spread with just those quote-unquote bold balloons that they had in there and done the darn thing, honey. I could have did the thing. But we working with what we got because we're really trying not to buy any more stickers, even though we just bought some stickers from the new release and we want to buy some more. But that's neither here nor there. I'm trying to use up my stash, and any old stickers that I have, I'm thinking about just selling the sheets if they're full sheets and stuff. So that's that. I decided I was tired of messing with those balloons over in that section, so I decided to go to Sunday and put down some stickers on Sunday. But then I was still trying to incorporate and try to figure it out. Y'all, I was really trying to figure some things out. And it's funny because I'm looking at this spread now, and it is nothing how I thought it was going to turn out. But I still love it. It's still gorgeous. It speaks to me. No, I'm playing. You guys, I'm just hyped because tomorrow's my birthday. So I am doing this editing on Monday the 20th. Hopefully I can get this posted today. But like I said, I did pull all those stickers up. Yeah, I put all those stickers up, y'all. Sorry. But I ended up, with having my pollinitis cyst flare up, I ended up just lounging all weekend because I just didn't want to. If you don't know what a pollinitis cyst is, I will spare you the gory details. But look it up. It's nothing to play with. It's not nice. It's not your friend. It is the most irritating thing in the world. And they don't necessarily know what causes it. So I just have to rest until I can have surgery to get it removed. But outside of all that depressing stuff. So I'm finally figuring out this other half of the page. Getting my little balloons on there. Getting her together, girl. And she is cute. She's cute. Now, what I ended up doing is I noticed that on the first half of the week, I didn't have any gold stickers. And I had 2 on the second half. So I went ahead and pulled up that last sticker, that last balloon. And I'm going to put that down over there. And then I'm going to take that greenish color balloon, baby green, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to pop that over next to the yellow. And I'm trying to do the balloons where they all look like they're kind of going up to the sky with their tails hanging in different directions. And then I was trying to figure out, I want to put some of these balloons on the sidebar. Couldn't get that together. I'm just going to let y'all know. Spoiler alert. I could not get that together. So I just decided, okay, well, we'll save these balloons for our mini spread. Because y'all know I like to have my mini match my catch-all. That's something that I've been exploring. And my mini is a planner that I don't film. I just decorate that for me. Because it's usually just a quick 5-minute spread that I just threw all the stickers that were left over into a spread. That's actually how I started decorating my mini. So right here I just put a happy birthday banner, and then I cut the tails that were hanging out from underneath the banner. Now my camera did some things, so I skipped out on things, but I just put some I was trying to put some quote stickers down, but half of those ended up coming up. And I used the Supermom flag stickers to put down some flags in various colors, using some of the same colors that came from out of the balloons, and then some of the colors aren't in the balloons. But this is a bright, fun, and airy spread, so let's color it up. So I was really trying to use those quotes from the Mega Pastel sticker book, but it really wasn't working out. So I ended up moving those up. Now this sticker I put time to celebrate because technically I'll be going away for the weekend. So I went on ahead and put that there like, yes girl, we about to celebrate. Celebrate good times. Come on. It's a celebration tonight. Yes. I was going back in there to make sure that I couldn't find another time to celebrate sticker that wasn't in foil. Now I'm thinking, okay, these quotes ain't working. I need something else. So I grabbed my Happy Quotes sticker book, which y'all know I love me some quotes. I need Happy Planner to come up with another sticker book that's just quotes. I probably need to pick up Gold Star quotes. I heard that one was a good one too. But I need them to have all clear quotes. That's what I want. So I pulled this Plan a Happy Life sticker, and I was trying to figure out, okay, how I'm going to get this to work. And I was like, I could pull that Weekend Getaway sticker up, but I really like that there because I am going away. So I decided, let's sticker surgery it up. I'm going to cut this sticker up and create this quote and put it in that box. And I'm like, ooh, that's going to be cute. Yes, I like that. I end up adjusting it a little bit more later on. And then I found this because I'm trying to match up the fonts here. So I found this Spread Some Happy sticker book. And I went ahead and cut that tail of that balloon where it was going to run into the spread. I was like, yes, that's going to be cute. I like that. Because I need to spread some happy. This is my birthday week. I want everybody to be happy, happy, happy. Just like me. Because I'm excited. technically I'm turning 30 for the second time because my birthday in 2020 don't count. Even though I did celebrate my birthday in 2020, I guess it could count. I guess it could count because I technically celebrated my birthday. But I just wanted to do something chill. If you know me, you know I don't like being the center of attention. So I stuck me down some quotes just to bring in. I've been really liking contrasting my spreads, like having a real colorful spread and then putting like a bold, deep color on it. So that's what these black quotes are giving me. And now I'm like, I need something else. It needs something needs to happen in this sidebar. So then I took a couple of these circle stickers, and it just happened so organically that I just laid them all down like, oh, I forgot. I tried to put that balloon, and then I decided, let me just put some of these down, and I whited out that important, and I just threw those down in the corner, and I think I'm going to use that to write whatever needs to be written in my sideboard. Probably things to remind me to do for this week. Or I might even put like some memories from this week. So I'm loving it. I forgot what I went in the dream. Oh, I know what I went through all these sticker books because I was looking for some gold confetti speckle something. And I wasn't finding nothing. I think I've used all the ones that I had. So now I'm just yapping it up. And I said thank you all for watching. See you all on the next one. Bye now.